Room 30 is the Sacket Suite. It's not a honeymoon suite. It's not a special occasion room. It's an apartment at the top of the house. A king bedroom and a separate sitting area divided by glass French doors. 2 real rooms, actual separation. In 1717, Richard Sacket received a land grant here in Greenwich while serving as pastor at Second Congregational Church, which is right down the street. His family held that land for 150 years. In 1840, John Sacket built the original structure on this site. The house has changed hands and names many times since then. Room 30 carries the Sacket name. When a guest sleeps in that room, they're sleeping at the top of the house, built on Sacket land, in a room named for the family that owned it longer than anyone else, mine included. No other room in this house can say that. The whirlpool tub in room 30, it sits in the exact footprint of that original shared servant bathroom. The staff who worked in this house had 1 bathroom between all of them. Now it's a whirlpool for 2. I think they'd appreciate the upgrade. Room 30 is for the guest who wants to settle in, not check in.